Okay guys, today's verb is the verb hataraku. That means to work. Okay, let's have a look at the kanji. Is hatara is how we're gonna read this kanji here, and then the ku is the hiragana. So we're gonna be changing kaki ku keko in order to make our four different forms. Okay, it's an irregular verb, so it's gonna be kaki ku keko. So the negative form is gonna be ka, right? So hataraka. Well, we're gonna have a look later. So first one, the dishoke dictionary form is hataraku. So for example, okane no tame ni hataraku. Okane no tame ni hataraku. Okane no tame ni hataraku. Work for money. Okay? So we work for money. I want you to memorize tamini is something that we can use for different sentences, and it means for or to achieve or towards. So you could say anata no tamini, like for you. Okay. Next one is our masuke, hatarakimasu. Hatarakimasu. Okay. So for example, watashi wa donichi mo hatarakimasu. Watashi wa donichi mo hatarakimasu. Watashi wa donichi mo hatarakimasu. I work, ne? Watashi wa is I. Donichi is the abbreviation of doyobi and nichiyobi, Saturday and Sundays. So Saturdays and Sundays. Mo means also. Hatarakimasu. So I also work on Saturdays and Sundays. Okay. Watashi wa donichi mo hatarakimasu. Now, the negative form is hatarakanai. So we're gonna change the kaki kukeko for ka. Hatarakanai. Okay. For example, osoku made hatarakanai de kudasai. So, nai de kudasai is please don't, right? So please don't work until made late. Né? So please don't stay that late working. Okay. Like, don't do too much overtime. Come back early. That's what you're saying here. Osoku made hatarakanai de kudasai. Okay. Now, the last one is our teke. Okay. Imperative form. So hataraku, we're gonna be changing for ite. Hataraite. Hataraite. So it's very irregular. So you have to remember hataraite. Hataraite. So for example, America no kaisha de hataraite imasu. America no means from America or American in this case. Yeah. Kaisha means company, and hataraite imasu is the form. Teimasu means I am. It's the ing form. So I am working. I'm currently working for or at an American company. Okay, America no kaisha de hataraite imasu. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and see you on the next one. Take care, bye bye.